New introduction here. I want to get everybody's attention for what I feel will be a lucrative opportunity. It's the first ever NYSE marijuana IPO. We're making history here, and I feel this is just the first stepping stone in what is going to be the start of many IPOs on both the NASDAQ and the NYSE. I feel we're going to have a marijuana sector and marijuana ETFs in the future, and this is just step number one. If you are familiar with the industry, that's all I have to say. I know you're interested already. If this is new to you, this is going to be, in my opinion, the greatest financial opportunity in our lifetimes. This has never happened before. We have an established tens of billions dollar industry that the floodgates are going to open. It's becoming more and more legitimate legally, and this is just step number one. So Innovative Industrial Properties is the company. The ticker is IIPR. It is a real estate REIT that invests in medical marijuana facilities. And for this IPO, we have a new website, www.mjipo.com. I put together an hour of research video going through the filings, researching the company and the executives, and establishing a game plan, looking at some other IPOs and how they have traded. We're going to have a chat room with live Q&A during that day, Tuesday, November 22nd. And we'll also have the live webcam where I'll be showing our charts, going over, pointing out key support and resistance levels, looking at the volume that's coming in. I'm really looking forward to this opportunity. I hope you will join us. Thanks for tuning in. Let's get into the charts. Hey everyone, checking in on Apple, which was by far the lead tech bull, and we have a group of stocks that we call the election day dump. And it's all the names, the tech names, and then Tesla's thrown in there, Baidu, Baba, they're in there as well. All the names that dumped after the election and have been seeing a bunch of weakness. Apple is among them, and a very clear bull break today. If you saw the video I put out last night, you were watching the inside candlestick. If you have not seen that inside candlestick video, head on over to my channel and check it out. It's very quick and very simple, and it's giving us two perfect trades on Apple in the past week. We've got the inside candlestick last week leading to a bear play, and today, the inside candlestick from yesterday. As soon as we broke 107.68, that's your bull signal, and you were able to run $2 plus to the upside, knowing that it was very likely to be a bullish day as soon as we broke that inside candlestick to the upside. Big bull volume. Bulls want to see a bull MACD cross. We've got the 10-day moving average resistance, rejecting the price 3 times. That's now support. Close at the high of the day over 110 psychological shows strength. I'm looking at this resistance. We had a double bottom at 110.98. That's a resistance level to watch, and then 111.72. But this momentum going forward certainly looks like we'll at least start tomorrow with some green. The weekly time frame is a very strong bullish reversal candlestick. We held the middle Bollinger Band last week. We're holding it again at 107.98. And Apple is looking good heading into next week. If we end this week looking anything like we do right now, fending off that bearish MACD cross and looking for a move back into the low 1-teens. Now, I do expect a lower high to form. Let's say next week we do see some more green. I would expect to top out around the 114, 115 area, form a lower high, then pull back, form a higher low, and see a tightening consolidation range. Pretty much what we saw happen back here. We had the dump, high of the bounce, higher low, and lower high, and then a breakout. And now it's the opposite. It's a breakout to the upside. Now we're consolidating, reaching the equilibrium. So that's looking a ways ahead, but as of right now, bulls in full control on the daily and looking good. And we're looking up at those next two resistance levels I just highlighted. So again, inside candlestick giving a really nice indication on the direction today. Let's look at the 5-minute chart. There was no doubt about the strength today. Right out of the gate, 25 minutes of upside, consolidation on decreasing bear volume, hold exponential support, continuation on increasing bull volume. That's all you need to see to know that is textbook, everything the bulls want to see to the start of a day. And from there, we just held higher lows and higher highs. Every time we consolidated, it was on low bear volume, and then we very quickly saw a ramp up in bull volume, continuation to the upside. So bulls closing strong. Let's check out where we stand on the hourly time frame. All hourly moving averages are support. The last time that was the case for Apple. Zooming out, and it has been a long time. Back here on October 25th. So 3 weeks, these have all been resistance, and now all of them are support. 109.62 is the 200-hour moving average. We'll see if the bulls can hold that tomorrow. I appreciate you watching. Have a great night.